Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel New Plays. So in this video guys, I'm going to play FIFA 16 Ultimate Team on the EA Access, which is available only for Xbox One. I'm going to show you how to transfer FIFA points from your FUT 15 account to FUT 16. If you are enjoying this content, make sure to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But for now guys, let's start the video. So now guys, I just logged into my account on FIFA 16 EA Access, which I have 6k FIFA points on. As soon as I clicked on Ultimate Team on the menus, this popped up saying, "We've noticed that you have an outstanding FIFA points balance in FUT 15. Would you like to transfer it to FUT 16? No, this is not reversible, so once you have transferred your FIFA points balance, you will be able to use it to access within FUT 16. This is one time only transfer, you will not be able to transfer any more points after this." So this basically means that if you click yes, your FIFA points will be removed from FUT 15 and added to FUT 16. So we click yes, and then it says, "Congratulations, your FIFA points were successfully transferred. You can now use them to purchase packs in FUT 16. Good luck." So now guys, I should have 6k FIFA points on our account, and yes, here we go guys, I have 6k FIFA points transferred from my FUT 15 account to FUT 16. So all you need is just to get the full game or buy the EA Access to play FIFA 16 right now, which is only available on Xbox though. I just clicked on Ultimate Team and it popped up saying that transfer your FIFA points automatically. Now I'm going to leave you with a small pack opening because I don't want this video to be short. I hope you enjoy. This is going to be the end of the video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial about how to transfer your FIFA points from FUT 15 to FUT 16 plus this small pack opening. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you all next time.